This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and physical condition. Make sure the battery shows at least 20% and use the original cable to avoid false negatives. Once done, visually inspect the left ear cup's seam, hinge, and mesh for debris or obvious damage because physical faults often mimic electrical ones. Next, perform a power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, release. Then wait 30 seconds before turning the headset back on so the firmware can fully reset. You now isolate the signal path. Plug in an AUX cable to test whether the left driver works over wired audio. If it does, Bluetooth or firmware is likely at fault. Also check your phone or computer's audio balance and mono/stereo settings. Make sure the left channel isn't intentionally reduced or muted. If Bluetooth remains suspect, forget and repair the headset, and then open the Beats app or device updater to install any available firmware updates to address known audio routing bugs. For final steps, you can try mild mechanical reseating. Power off, then gently press and flex the left ear cup perimeter to see if a loose connector recontacts. Do not pry or use excessive force. If the driver remains silent, stop and contact Beats support or an authorized repair center. Warranty or service replacement is often required for internal driver faults. Troubleshooting tip: always verify with a second source and a different cable first so you don't replace the headset for an external problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.